Welcome to your 5th online First School and Sixth Form College Assembly. Now today, I'd like to talk to you about one of our school's core values, the idea of inclusivity. Inclusivity means that we should include everybody in things. And throughout history, it has been an ideal that many people have fought for. Many people have died for. And it's an ideal that is still not achieved around the world as much as we would like. Now, in preparing to give this assembly, I thought quite long and hard about what story or idea I should put across to you. And I kept finding myself going back to this, one of my children's favourite books. And so therefore, please bear with me. I'm going to read this children's book to all of you. This is Rob Biddulph's Odd Dog Out. For busy dogs, a busy day of busy work and busy play. Swimmer, sailor, soldier, scout. They all blend in, no dog stands out. But wait, look closer. Can you see one dog's behaving differently? Someone on this busy street is dancing to a different beat. When they fly high, this dog flies low. When they say kick, this dog says throw. It's very sad, cue violin, but this small dog does not fit in. It's true, she sniffs, I've tried my best, but I'm not made like all the rest. And that's why I've made up my mind to leave this town, my home, behind. On her own and out of place, she sighs a sigh and packs her case. Through winter, springtime, summer, fall, from ocean deep to mountain tall. She walks till she can walk no more. Is this the place she's looking for? Well, bless my bow wow, can it be 100 others just like me? I play guitar, I ride a bike, I fit right in, we're all alike. But wait, look closer. Can you see? One dog's behaving differently. Somebody this afternoon is whistling a different tune. Here's something she knows all about, a classic case of odd dog out. Poor thing, she says. I feel for you. I once was an outsider too. Oh, not at all. You've got it wrong. I really feel like I belong. I love to stand out from the crowd, and so should you. Stand tall. Be proud. Her tummy flips. Her belly flops. As finally the penny drops. That dog is right, it's plain to see. There's nothing wrong with being me. Her little tail begins to wag. She smiles a smile and grabs her bag. I'm sorry, but I have to fly. Good luck, my friend. They wave goodbye. From night and moon to light and sun, her journey home has just begun. For busy dogs, a busy day. But look who's back, hip hip, hooray! They cheer, they clap, they whoop, they shout. We've really missed our odd dog out. You've made us all appreciate that being different's really great. It's true, look closer. Can you see? More dogs behaving differently. Each one's a doggy superstar. So blaze a trail. Be who you are. I love that last page of that book, that message. Blaze a trail. Be who you are. Now at First School, we are so fortunate to have so many individuals, so many personalities, and we are lucky to be able to celebrate the differences that exist between all of us. Now during this period of lockdown and school closure, you may well have found out things about yourself that you didn't previously know. Your resilience, your patience, your potential compassion for others. Now, regardless of who you are, we at First School would like to celebrate all of your differences. Try to use this time to find out more about who you are, more about what you love, so that even if you may sometimes feel like the odd dog out, you feel that you're able to enjoy that quality in you, rather than having it as a weight that weighs you down. Thank you very much indeed. Have a good week. All the best to all of you and hope to see you soon.